Today is the 18th day of Adi month, and also today is celebrated as Adi Perukku. Those who are staying in South India near the Kaveri river belt, on this day they go to the river, take bath. Also they give donations to the ladies and they do Annadhanam to the poor and needy people. It is also very auspicious to take the Gomata cow to the river bed, give a wonderful bath, and then nicely decorate the cow. They will also feed the cow with the choicest of the things. After that, they will circumambulate the cow. And today it is also very auspicious to donate mehendi. In North India, they celebrate mehendi in a great way just before the marriage. But in southern part of India, it is slowly disappearing. But this mehendi has got its own auspiciousness. In case one is staying near a temple where there is a Gomati Narayan deity installed, at that place they should make sweet rice with milk and adding groundnut to it. Also, if one makes Sakara Pongal, that is adding sweet and jaggery, that they should make it at the temple itself, and after making it they should carry it in a long stick, both sides in a pot. The Sakara Pongal should be hanging, and then circumambulate the temple. After finishing the circumambulation and praying the Lord, they should donate the Sakara Pongal to the assembled poor people. This offering will be personally accepted by none other than Yamaraj itself. So when he happily accepts this, people will get long life, their suffering will go, and all illness will disappear. Lord Yama is known as the death personified, but he is also known as Dharma Raja. So he does always good. He only carries out the instruction given to him by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Please visit the temples and donate auspicious things on this day. Particularly donate it to the ladies and worship cow. Also visit Tirukkargavur, where Her Lordship's Garbha Rakshambika is ever present there. This is the only temple in India. Please donate, and also don't stop anyone from donating. Today our culture is totally in a spoiled manner, and the responsibility goes only to the elders. Because of our material desire, we encourage people, encourage our children, encourage our relatives, and we ourselves get encouraged only to run after the material things, accumulating those things, thereby forgetting our entire spiritual life and what our forefathers were doing. Even now it's not too late. Let us try to follow whatever our forefathers were doing and follow the spiritual guidelines.